So I came out this morning and two baby, or rather fledgling birds had fallen into the pond. Unfortunately, one of them passed away, but this little one was just sitting there cold and trying to float. So I've been tending to them. Just so chilly, so little. And slowly drying off. Like a little wet chicken before now it's got the down coming through. I have some little wormies here, some seed. I don't think they eat seed yet, but the little wormies. Nice. We've had an injured adult bird fall out of their big nesting tree before, but this is new. It's okay, little nugget.